The facility builder mission is one to provide continuing service. We produce buildings for people to function out of, but we also have to go through a process because our work isn't done overnight.
We have employees that have been here since 1993, have been here 30 years this year. It's really based on a lot of mutual respect all the way across the organization.
Facility builders, we've known them first of all for 25 years. We've worked on a number of projects because their sweet spot of what they do and our sweet spot of what we do overlap quite a bit.
Part of the skill set that Facility Builders has is the ability to work around and understand existing operations. We take a lot of time to understand what the current operating activities are and how we're going to work around them, where the conflicts are going to be, and come up with solutions that allow us to do the construction activity and keep them in business at the same time. Facility Builders and Erectors clients are primarily in the industrial community.
Heavy-duty types of operations, from trash to any kind of manufacturing.
We do a lot of transportation-related work.
Aerospace manufacturing. We also do airplane hangars.
And oftentimes we'll do community buildings that pertain to energy-related issues, substations, and the waste-to-energy facilities as well.
But if somebody wants a man door installed, we'll go in and do that. When I go to sell a Butler building, we are very well supported by the Butler team. We feel it's really the best in the industry. If you maintain one of those roofs, they last over 50 years.
They were early adopters of a lot of things, getting into computer-aided design. That's kept them in the game when a lot of other companies have come and gone. They're a good resource you can count on.
Building trust is a continuing effort of providing information, being accurate, being clear. Oftentimes people know that they need to have some sort of a change, and we help them define those expectations. And every conversation, every time we meet, is an opportunity to help layer in some additional trust in what we do and what we deliver.
We continually build the relationship by having regular meetings with our clients, keeping them apprised of what's going on, documenting every meeting that you have.
That's where Facility Builders is really strong. I can talk about processes and design and all that. They can talk about cost and practicality. I mean, you put all those together, even in the very first meeting, that can be really effective.
I can always point things out driving down the road that, we were involved in that project. The stuff that we build, they're built to last.
Driving around Southern California and seeing some of our completed projects is always a point of satisfaction and a little bit of reflection of where we've been and looking at the opportunities that are coming up in the future. Our reputation is only as good as our last project, and so we work hard with our teams of project managers, superintendents, and erectors to make sure that every time we go out in the field, our presence is one that people look back on and say, that was a good experience. It's going to allow us to continue well on in the future.